Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your Into the Weekend Oracle Guidance reading. If you're new to my channel guys, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss any of my readings. Okay guys, so something different I'm going to do this week, and I'm going to start doing comment of the week from now on. So the comment I've chosen this week is from this video up here. It's What's My Next Step video, and it's from the beautiful Sylvia Ferrari. Check it out guys, lovely lady. I met her recently on a spiritual retreat and she's the most fabulous lady in the world. Hi Sylvia, thank you for your comment. Guys, if you guys want to get featured for comment of the week, all you got to do is comment below this video and we'll pick one at random. Comment of the week. Check it out. So this week, guys, I'm using this beautiful deck that I actually got at the Arthur Findlay College in Stansted in London. And these are the Flowers of the Night Oracle cards by Sherilyn Darcy. So guys, with this deck, it's very interesting because I've never actually used these properly before. I've kind of dabbled with them when I first got them, but this is my first proper reading for you guys with them. So I'm really excited to see what you guys think. So in front of us, we have 3 cards, each pertaining to a day over the weekend. So we have card 1 for Friday, card 2 for Saturday, and card 3 for Sunday. And what I want you to do now is just fill yourself up with a question or a query or an issue that you're having, or you might have over the weekend that you need some guidance on. And I want you to let that question completely fill you up. Close your eyes, and when you open them, you'll be drawn to one card, or all 3 may resonate with you. So I will give you some time to think of that question now. Okay, so we're going to come to card 1 for Friday, guys. This is our first card. Card 1 for Friday. This is the purpose card, and it is the Desert Wishbone flower. Okay, so this purpose card is kind of coming across that something has become very clear to you with regard to what you're supposed to do in life. Okay, there's something or a passion or something that you've always wanted to do that has a purpose, that can help others, that can lift people up and empower people. Okay, so this has become clear to you recently, and this card is just basically telling you to go for it. Pursue that dream. Okay, now it's not to say that you won't come up with any challenges, particularly if it's something that's a little bit outside of the box. You're going to have people saying, oh, you'll never make a living out of that, you'll never be able to do that, that's a ridiculous job. You need to kind of stick with your gut, stand your ground, and understand that this is what you were put here to do. Okay, so regardless of adversity, you're going to power through and you're going to make this happen, and you're going to bring a whole lot of light to this world. Okay, so power through. This is your purpose. Okay, so that's card 1 for Friday. Card 2 here for Saturday. This is the readiness card, and your flower here is the Nottingham catchfly. Okay, so readiness is all about a period of time where there's a certain amount of work to be done, but the rewards are going to be fabulous. Okay, but here's the key. You need to be ready for every eventuality. Okay, blessings and challenges. Okay, you need to be ready for all the good stuff and ready to accept all the good stuff, but you also need to be ready to examine things in fine detail. Don't take anything at face value. Read the fine print. Just be ready to fall into traps in case there are any. Okay, just prepare yourself. You are going to power through this time because something great is on the horizon, but you must be aware and be vigilant of all the things that come with this, I would say, responsibility. Okay, so this is a time of readiness for you. That's card 2 for Saturday. Now we have card 3 for Sunday, which is the compassion card, and this is the port wine magnolia flower. Okay, so compassion here, obviously a lot of us will relate compassion to having compassion for others. Okay, here in this reading we're going to apply compassion to ourselves. Okay, you've been going through a little bit of a hard time and you haven't been showing yourself that love. Okay, now is the time to show yourself compassion, because what happens, folks, when we show ourselves love and compassion, okay, we then understand it enough to show it to others. Okay, there is such a thing as trying to fill other cups from an empty cup. okay? Or something, some analogy like that, okay? You cannot help other people unless you are in a state of balance, relaxation, in a state of self-love, in a state of neutrality, okay? So you need to be working at a slightly higher vibration for yourself, and that means showing yourself that care and that TLC that you desperately need, okay? And that means taking time for yourself, doing some meditations, going for a walk, doing some art, doing those things that you love to do, just to bring out that little bit of fire in yourself, okay? And once you feel that love for yourself, then you will find it easier to share that compassion with others and show them how to love themselves too, okay? So that is card 3 for Sunday. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed that reading. As always, please comment below if any of the cards resonated with you. If you like this video, check out my latest video right here. YouTube will pop a random video here. And if you really like this video, please subscribe. Love and light.